I'm getting ready to head out to work, but I want to show you guys what I am packing for work. So first, we're going to make my coffee. I am almost out of this. I'm scraping the bottom. I have been putting this in my coffee every single day. It's the Bloom Collagen Colostrum. Look, I'm like almost out. I need more. This is the coffee that I ended up with. It is a pumpkin spice donut protein coffee. It's good, okay? I made a recipe for that in a different video, so you'll have to look for that. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm bringing for lunch and breakfast. And I'm not a traditional breakfast type girly, so don't be like, gasp. No, okay? I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I'm going to get a little vulnerable. I am struggling with regain. I am. It's really hard for me to say this to you, but I want to be vulnerable because I know someone out there is going to relate to me. I don't have it all together. I'm not perfect. I've been through a lot this past year between infertility, pregnancy losses. My body's been pumped full of hormones. I've been through the ringer, okay? And that brings on depression. I too deal with depression. So I just want you to know if you're struggling, you are not alone because I'm right there with you, okay? But guess what? I'm still trying. It's one thing I haven't done is I don't give up. So for breakfast, I'm having just like another mock Chipotle bowl, if you will. I got some fajita chicken meat in here, black beans, and then a pepper jack, spicy Laughing Cow cheese. I'll heat that up in the microwave. And then I will add my veggies. I don't have any lettuce. I'm using spinach and then mini sweet peppers and red onion. And then, you know, I need a sauce. So my sauce is this mixture that I make, Greek yogurt, salsa, and then Fiesta ranch dip mix. And that is what I will eat for breakfast. I'll be honest, another vulnerable moment. I like really felt like I could be normal. And I don't really know what normal is, but for me, normal is like just being able to, you know, eat without counting calories and macros and just not worrying, you know, living your life without the focus on food and calories. And that's just not, I just don't think it's in my cards. At least right now it's not. I tried that. Yeah, it hasn't worked out for me. But you know what? I'm feeling good. I've had more energy the last few days. I've been on this for 5 days. I'm already down some weight, some of the regain. And my energy is up. Plus I'm not being pumped full of hormones right now. So that makes a difference too. But yeah, I'm not willing to give up on this journey. I fought too hard. You know, I used to weigh 400 pounds. Just know it does not matter where you are at in your journey. It is never too late to turn around and start again. Reach out, get some help. And that's exactly what I did. And it's working. So I made a green bean spaghetti. This, guys, is so good. The recipe should already be posted. If it's not, I will post it. But yeah, that's what I'm taking today. This is a lot of protein, but it's also nutritious. So that's something I'm working on, is feeding my body good things. I'm not perfect by all means, but I'm working on it, and slowly but surely. But just know, if you are in a position like me, it is never too late to restart, okay? It's a lifelong journey, It's why they call it a lifestyle change. It's lifelong. Some of us have it a little tougher than others when it comes to food, and it sucks, but it is our reality, and it's our responsibility to be accountable to ourselves. If you are in this position right now, please do not beat yourself up, because that's what I wanted to do, but I decided no. I'm gonna give myself a little grace to know, girl, you've had a rough year, and you know what? It's okay. You stumbled and you fell, but we don't stay down over here, and I don't want you to stay down. Go out and have a good day.